Hello guys, I'm glad to meet you guys today. It's my honor to be with you guys today, and my name is Nicholas, and today I would like to compare two countries, Indonesia and Malaysia. I will be focusing on the demographic today, and please pay attention because there will be a quiz in the end of the presentation. Moving on to the first point. The first point is the population between these two countries. This bar chart shows us population of these two countries, Indonesia and Malaysia, per 5 year, from the year 2000 until the year 2020. The vertical axis shows us the year, and the horizontal axis shows us the number of population. The blue bar shows us the data from Indonesia, and the orange one shows us data from Malaysia. The thing that I want to tell you guys is the population in these two countries increases even in Indonesia that has more than 200 million people. That's amazing. And how about the age structure of the country, of the population? And that question leads us to the next slide. The second point is the age structure. This pie chart shows us population by age in these two countries per 2020. These two pie charts, and the left one represents data from Malaysia, and the right one shows us data from Indonesia. The green piece of the chart shows us data from the age 0 until 14 years old. The orange one shows us data from 15 until 24 years old. The gray one shows us data from 25 until 54 years old, and the yellow one shows us data from 55 until 64 years old, and the blue one shows us data from 65 years old and over. The key point that I want to tell you guys is these two countries have similarity in the age structure. As you can see, the biggest percentages is at the gray chart, which at the age of 25 until 54 years old. That's some similarities that these countries have. Talking about population reminds me of the growth of population, which leads us to the next slide. The next point is the population growth. This line chart shows us the population growth rate between these two countries from the year 2000 until the year 2020 per 5 year. The horizontal axis shows us the year, the vertical axis shows us the rate of the growth. The blue line shows us the data from Indonesia, and the orange one shows us data from Malaysia. The thing that I want to say to you guys, the thing that I want to emphasize is, as you can see, there's a drop at 2005 in Malaysia's chart. That means the population growth rate significantly dropped at Malaysia in 2005. I guess that is all from me, and this is the end of the presentation. But I've mentioned you before that we have a quiz today. What I mean by a quiz is question of the day. I have 3 questions that you might answer, and you might able to answer it if you pay attention to my presentation. Alright, the question of the day is the first one: does the population in Indonesia increase or decrease? The second one: which age ranges that is the highest in both countries? When did the population growth significantly drop in Malaysia happen? And I think that is all from me. Thank you guys for your attention. Bye bye.